Wow, wow, wow. What a day here at Weenie Trades. We had a stream that had over 100 viewers. Congratulations to you if you were in that stream. That was a big stream. It was a lot of fun. We made a lot of money, analyzed a lot of charts, and in this video, I'm going to go over BBBY, GameStop, FUBO, SPY, and one potential squeeze stock for tomorrow. Be sure to tune in to Weenie Trades Live to watch me trade the futures and these stocks live. So first up we got is BBBY. These colors represent my ability to think about whether we're going to gap up, gap down, or go nowhere. So I said the light blue or the teal, we are likely to gap up if we closed above there. If we are in the yellow, we are likely to gap down or sell off. And in the neutral zone, it was really kind of a 50-50 whether we're going to gap up or gap down. So let's quickly clear the drawing set and look for some resistance levels on BBBY. On the live stream today, we were actually noting BBBY squeezing. Look at this, up about 29.06%. And over here at about 1682, once we started to break out of that level and hold it as support, on stream, I was like, hey, there's your BBBY setup for those that enjoy it. Even in the pre-market, I was saying about 1950 was a good price target for BBBY. I tend to be a bit conservative because most of the time, stocks don't squeeze like this. So it's absolutely insane, but there we go. There's that kind of 1950 TP. But congrats to those that held. And later in the day, we went through a pretty big consolidation. So basically, we made a high of about 28.6, low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, a mild bull break, but the bull break couldn't break the high of the day. And what happens when you can't break the high of the day? The short sellers start to take over. The market bears started to reclaim their shares short. Some buyers stopped out, and we started to break down. And on the live stream, I was like, well, there's a big level right here at about 2490, 2470. If we start to flush that, we are likely going to break down. So if we come up into that resistance level, look for BBBY to potentially find some resistance. Otherwise, on BBBY, the next area of resistance is going to be 2675, and that's just kind of this breakdown candle. If we clear the drawing set again and just zoom out over here, this is the key level right there, that 2540 area. And then this is going to be that key resistance, 2770. If we get above and hold above 2770, look for the next area on BBBY based off Fibonacci extensions to be that 34 level. So on a squeeze, Weenie's price target is 34. If BBBY pulls back, the lowest I think it'll go this week is 16. Ask me about BBBY at Weenie Trades Live, okay? Next up we got is Gme Gamestop. And GameStop started to break a nice wedge on the daily. Nice good wedge break on GameStop. And over here, we were talking about call options over $40 a share. Nice good breakout on GameStop. Boom, moves higher, breaks out, and then just kind of fades for the rest of the day. Moving forward on GameStop, if GameStop is gapping up and pushing higher, look for GameStop to probably get to something like this 50 level. So GameStop 50 if we're gapping up and holding up and pushing higher. Again, none of this is financial advice. I don't know what's actually going to happen with GameStop. It could go to 50, but that's the likely scenario if it gaps up. If GameStop starts to sell on off, look for 40 to be support one, S1, 40, and then underneath 40, check out 38. So that's GameStop. Next up we got is FUBO TV. People asked me about this on stream. I gave a price target of 15 on a stretch squeeze. First of all, for the day, the option chain said that 8 was going to be that resistance point. And so FUBO TV on support 4.67. If FUBO never comes down to 4.67, it's likely in an uptrend and chugging along higher. So 15 is my target, but I think that might have been the high for FUBO right there at about that 8 level. You could look for an oversold dip buy at that 4.67. That's all I got for FUBO. Next up, we got a SPY. SPY, some wicked volatility today. It was a great day trading futures. We broke the low of the day, straight into a high of the day. Nice good flag break right over here. Move higher, move lower, lower high. We'll see if SPY starts to break down. If SPY comes underneath 428, look for more downside. If SPY is holding above 430, look for something like on the daily time frame, SPY 435. 435 for the SPY. And what's the next squeeze stock? It could be AMC, but only if AMC can decisively close above 2720 on an hourly and then on a daily basis. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to Weenie Trades Live. Bye-bye.